This is a classic, this dish. Sticky chicken drumsticks served with coconut rice. It's sweet, it's a little bit spicy. You grab a hold of the chicken drumstick and you bite into it. Plus, it's really simple. Okay, so grab yourself a bowl. I have some key cap manis, sweet soy sauce that goes in there. So good. Some sambal oelek, some turmeric. Give it a good mix together. Once that's all combined, we're just gonna grab our chicken drumsticks and basically get them in the bowl, get them well coated. There's only really one way to do it, and that's with your hands. So we're just gonna let that marinate for about 20 minutes, wash the hands, get them into a preheated oven. Chicken drummies, they've been marinating for 20 minutes. We're just gonna get a baking tray, which we've lined with baking paper. Baking tray, baking paper, wire rack. That just allows the heat to circulate around the chicken drumsticks, okay? And just before we put them in the oven, get your pastry brush and give them a quick little dab with some of that marinade so they're well coated. These are going to roast at 200 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes, and every 10 minutes we're going to bring them out and give them a base with the marinade. While the drummies are in the oven, we're going to make our coconut rice. So long grain rice, some coconut milk, and we also have some water just to fill it out. Okay, so our rice has been standing for 10 minutes. The chicken has rested for 10 minutes. We're pretty much ready to plate up. So I'm just gonna put the sticky chicken drummies down, serve up some of our coconut rice. And then to add a little bit of freshness to this dish, we've got some cucumber, lime, cut it in half, and go in there. Some butter lettuce, they can just be some nice fresh cups, and some crunch with some peanuts. Just a few coriander leaves over the top to garnish. There it is, our sticky chicken drumsticks with coconut rice. It's budget friendly, it's great to share, and it's super, super tasty. Check this recipe out and more at delicious.com.au.